Renown Cargo Trailers here in Douglas, Georgia. All right, today I'm going to be showing you one of my customers' trailers. Basically what it is a mobile command station. I'll take you around it, show you kind of what we can do. It's kind of like an office trailer. So for you guys that's looking for office trailers and stuff of that nature, this might be something that you want to take a peek at. All right, so let's get started. All right, so first off, I'm gonna bring you to the front of the trailer. We're gonna talk about a little bit on the front. This right here is a generator box. It is a big one. It's an extra large generator box, and it's on 72-inch drawbar, so you have an extended tongue on this trailer. I wanna show you this other side of this generator box. It's nice. It's not just a box that's just gonna flip over. It actually has a door, it's vented, and one other cool thing is it actually has a slide tray. So instead of you having to take this heavy generator out to fill up every time, you just give it a pull. She's out. You fill her up, put her back in. Easy breezy, all right? This customer did order a Honda EU 7000 generator. This is a bad boy. It's an inverter generator and it's super quiet. We do offer them to put on your trailers. Customer will buy them. However, this is a Honda EU 7000. It's a nice generator. This generator box, they are supposed to be open even though they're vented. When you're running, they are supposed to be open. Do not close them because it's just too much in there, too many fumes. This trailer also comes equipped with an electrical package. When we get inside, I'm gonna show you all the lights, all the plugs, everything that this trailer has to offer. But what this is a 50 amp motor base plug. So what it does, it just takes your power from your pole and converts into your trailer so it'll run your electrical. Come around to this side. So as I was telling you guys, this is a mobile command center. So what we got down here on the bottom is we got scissor jacks on the front and the back. Also, for you guys getting scissor jacks, I'm gonna teach you a little trick that'll help you. Everybody always say, sometimes I catch something that'll be in my scissor jacks. I got you, watch this. All right, if you'll come and you'll put a 10-inch bogey wheel, I know it's up under there, it's probably hard to see, but if you'll put a 10-inch bogey wheel on the back of your trailer, it'll keep you from ripping your jacks out from up under it. A bunch of people rip them out, so that's just a little suggestion you guys might like. Also on this trailer, we got some GFIs. Remember I told you we have that electrical package, so they're just a waterproof cover, and they have like a faulty system in it. It's a GFI. There's 2 of them on this trailer, all right? As well as you got an RV side door. This door does have a window, it has a screen, you can open it, shut it, all that good stuff. Up on top, we got 2 12-volt bar lights. Those are for, at night or early in the morning, whenever they're out, they need a little bit of extra light to see what they're doing. That'll allow you to be able to. All right, so as you guys was wondering, this is my favorite part of the trailer just because it looks so good. This is a concession window. It is a 48 by 72, all right? So it's a 4-foot by 6-foot concession window, but it's not a concession window. It's a shadow box, all right? So what these people are doing is they're gonna have 2 people inside of the trailer in the office. Like I said, it's a mobile command center. So what this right here is gonna be like a checkoff list TV. So people can come up, instead of going in and getting the AC out of the trailer, they can come right here, look what they have to do, and go on about the job, all right? So this is the shadow box. We offer this, you just have to get a concession window and then upcharge for the shadow box. If you're gonna put a TV or something like that in it, the actual reset to plug in is gonna be on the side of it. And if you'll notice, this is carpet. This ain't metal, y'all. This is carpet. I mean, it's soft. This is the shadow box. So now we're gonna step inside because me and Miss Laura's hot, so we can get in the AC because I do got it turned on. Should be what is it, 106 today, you said, Miss Laura? All right, so we got lights. All right, in here's gonna be a workstation. Basically what we got overhead cabinets, some storage, some lower cabinets for some more storage. Your panel box is actually up under this side. It's there, so that's where your motor base is put straight into the back of it, all right? Also, real quick, for you guys that get electrical package on your trailer, an electrical package just comes with a box and everything, and normally there's a hole right up under your panel box. If you upgraded that motor base I showed you on the outside, it's an easy, quick connect. It looks good. You plug it into the side of your trailer rather than you dropping a hole through your floor, okay? These are 2 6-foot countertops. They are stationary with aluminum legs. Basically, when they got this TV up here, they're gonna put their laptop and plug in their HDMI cord, and they're gonna have like another screen. All right, so this is one workstation. Something cool that I did with this trailer. I think it's pretty cool anyways. I might be a little weird as well, but I put an individual light above each desk. So you got that one above there, and then boom, just makes it a little bit brighter so you can actually see what you're doing here. So I got that wired in there. I just thought it was, I thought it'd be pretty cool. Anyhow, so what we got here is another TV. These are 32-inch TVs, I believe, and the one in there is a 42. They got mounts, you can pull them out, do whatever you want. Also, we got some extra lights up here. So if you notice, I told you 2 above the desk, as well as we got 2 that's in the trailer, just works with the regular switch by the door. This is a 15,000 BTU AC with a heat strip, so it does have the bigger AC on it. This is the back side of that shadow box. All right, so you can also have a little bit of storage underneath the bottom. You know, so it kind of goes under. You can put some storage, some little cabinets or something like that. These people did specify one of the biggest things they wanted in their trailer was a coffee pot station. All right, it's also a little workbench type of table as well. So put your coffee pot, build them a little workstation here. Got some little bit of storage underneath the bottom. So they got plenty of storage in this trailer. Like I said, it's a mobile command center. I don't know what they put in it, but there's plenty of storage for whatever they do. Got metal walls, metal ceiling. It's all insulated in the wall, insulated in the ceiling. RTP on the floor, RTP on the ramp and flap. Pretty much a very nice trailer. It's got the screen. I was telling you guys it's the door with the screen, so you can actually open that door, leave the screen shut. We got a couple extra receps in here, but this is basically a little office space. So for you guys that are looking into office trailers, there may be a couple ideas on here that you like. We can do base cabinets instead of this, and you see these are stationary, so we got legs. We can also take them where they're flip down shelves. So if you still want to load like a golf cart inside of one and you're going somewhere, you still have your countertop that flips down and you can pick them up while you can still load stuff at the same time. These people aren't going to pull anything in it. It's meant straight for working out of it. All right, so we did them stationary. All right, and if you want to, we'll step back outside, look around the whole trailer, give you guys an idea, and we'll go from there. All right, you guys, so some things I didn't point out here when we was out here the first time is on this trailer we do have some 030, so it's a thicker skin, as well as we also offer an 080 polycore exterior. If you got the money for it, it's a great upgrade. I'm talking, it's not like a metal, it's actually a polyurethane sheet coated with a little piece of aluminum. Very, very strong, very durable. So I would actually probably have upgraded to that. They didn't want to, so we went with 030 white. We also did semi-screwless, so if you know this trailer does not have as many screws as what they'd normally have. It's just screwed on the seams of the metal. It's glued on the actual middle. So that they're just gonna take some of the waves, you know, won't look like a tater chip bag going down the road. It's gonna take some out of it. Now, all right, here what we did, we didn't want no silver mods. We wanted to be a little bit flashy, look a little nice, and you can't have a nice looking trailer without some nice looking wheels. So we do got alloys on here. This is a 5,200 pound drop leaf spring axle with a 6-lug tire. It is an alloy. They did do a ramp door. Like I said, they're not gonna pull much stuff in here, but if they ever wanted to put some jacks here, make it a porch, put a screen on the back, you can do it. As well as it has dual tail lights. All right, so you have dual tail lights. We can take it one step forward. We got reverse lights, so it's not pitch black back here in the dark. So this side right here is going to give you a good view of that 030 semi-screwless that I told you. You see there's not as many waves, there's not as many screws. Every screw creates an impression, makes it look like a wave or wrinkle when the sun hits it. I've told you guys a couple times, extra marker lights, $10 a piece goes a long way. So this trailer does have extra marker lights for them semis on the interstate. They can actually see you so they'll know when to get over and when not to get over. On this trailer, we also did the flat front. If you do a generator box and it's not on the inside of the trailer, it has to be a flat front. So let's avoid that mistake before it happens. If you do a big generator box on the front, it has to be a flat front. When you do a flat front, it does come with anodized corners as well as a 24-inch ATP stone guard in the front. I did like the way they did this generator box. If you see up here on the tongue, you got that 24-inch ATP and it actually wraps around on the box too. That looks very, very nice. Just gives it a little bit more of a flash feature to it. And I think that's about it, you guys. So we went over this whole trailer. Like I said, this is an 8.5 by 16. It's a mobile command station. Very nice trailer. I'm actually very happy with how it turned out. We're gonna be shipping this thing to Arizona. We're gonna be shipping it to Arizona to I believe it is a college up there. I can't really tell you exactly what it's for, but it is a college. Like I said, it's a mobile command station. We can do this on a bunch of different styles. You know, this is just a couple ideas. You ain't got to do a trailer exactly like this. You can do one of your own nature. I'm just trying to give you a little bit of tips that you guys don't see every day that we can do. Again, my name's Austin King here at Renown Cargo Trailers. We love for you guys to tune in our videos, watch what we have to say. It gives you a little bit of idea of what we can do, and we can build anything for you. If you can dream it, we can build it. All right, so you can reach us at www.renowncargotrailers.com. You can reach us at our site. Our number is 888-287-3954. As well, watch our YouTube video, Renown Cargo Trailers. It's on YouTube. We got Instagram, TikTok, pretty much any platform you want to get on, we're there, so you can check us out. All right, my name's Austin King. You can find us off the side of Bowens Mill Highway, 1135 Bowens Mill Road Southwest, Douglas, Georgia, 31533. And as always, y'all be blessed.